Welcome everyone to another unboxing video. This should be my new pyrography machine. Let's get it open. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Boom. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's the tips. Extra tips. Do I twist? Oh, this pops. Boop. Boop. Focusing. There you go. Boom. Boom. That's a line. Line. Pointy one. This is a shading tip. And this is a shading tip as well. So this is a curved one. Ooh, leave your mark. Razertip SL1. Ooh-wee. The pen, instructions there. For settings over 60, only use heavy duty pens or BPH pens, and that is a BPH pen. BPH pen. We've got the cord there. Cable. We've got the machine, the Razertip SL1. Look out for some new artwork. 2024. It's been a long time since I've done some pyrography art. So yeah, let's go.